Ready to make a mouth-watering, moist, and easy banana cake without even using an oven? Let's get started. Start by cracking an egg into your mixing bowl, followed by a quarter cup of sugar. Whisk them together until well combined. Next, pour in half a cup of milk, add half a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give everything a good stir. For the dry ingredients, sift together 1.2 cups of all-purpose flour with a teaspoon of baking soda. I like to sift the flour so there won't be any clumps, and the cake batter is nice and smooth. Now, add 3.5 tablespoons of cooking oil. Mix slightly, just to combine the oil, and leave the cake batter aside for a moment. Grab a small 8-inch frying pan and melt a tablespoon of unsalted butter over medium heat. Make sure your pan is well greased. Once the butter is melted, take the pan off the heat and sprinkle a generous tablespoon of sugar across the base. Trust me, there's a reason for this. Arrange 4 to 5 banana halves over the sugar, depending on your pan size, and then evenly spread the cake batter over the bananas. And your cake is ready for cooking. Cover the pan with its lid and let it cook on a low flame for 25 minutes. After that, uncover the pan, place a large plate on top, and carefully flip it over, transferring the cake onto the plate. A quick wipe of your pan with a paper towel will ensure the cake doesn't stick. Then slide the cake back in to finish off the bottom. Let it cook covered for an additional 5 minutes on low heat. And voila! This easy banana cake is super moist with a golden caramel crunch on top. Every bite is just pure bliss. If you liked this moist and easy banana cake recipe, then check out also this scrumptious 3-ingredient banana bread recipe here. Check it out now.